Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to start by doing the eyebrows, but before that there's this hack that I saw and I tried and it really worked, and I want to show you guys. So the first step in makeup application, I know most of us start with primer after you've moisturized, but now I want to show you guys how you can use your powder before the primer. So it's like after you've moisturized your face, you apply powder and then you apply primer, and it's really going to make your makeup last, and it's going to, that powder is going to absorb excess shine. So I'm going to use the powder first. I'm concentrating that powder on the areas that I normally shine most: my nose, this T-zone, the T-zone, and also I'm going to apply some powder on the eyebrows to take off that excess shine. And the powder I've used is this Eyelashes powder in the shade Classic Tan. So for eyebrows, I start off by using my spoolie and brush the eyebrow hairs. I'm using Davis No. 3 eyebrow pencil. First, I'm outlining the bottom and the upper part of the eyebrow, following my brow hair shape. Don't use a lot of force. And after that, I'm just going to fill in using gentle upward strokes, mimicking my eyebrow hairs the way they are growing. So like that. The best thing to do so that you make sure that the eyebrows are similar is extend this line. If you have to do it practically, you can. If you can just follow it without drawing the actual line, it's also okay, but you just trace off where this line is so that you can also start the other eyebrow at the same level, and also for the other side. So that way the eyebrows will be the same size. Sometimes even after you do this, they're not gonna be exactly the same, but at least they're gonna be a lot similar. So you just do the same process, line the bottom and the upper part of the eyebrows like that. The eyebrow should end at this level where the eyes end. Start at this point where the eyes start. The eyebrows should not be too close together. Right now mine might look close, but don't worry, I'm gonna work on that. That's why you have a spoolie brush. It's very important. It helps to brush the eyebrows so that they look more natural and even out. The next thing, I'm going to use my Eyelashes Pro concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to use that to clean my eyebrows so that they can look more defined. Outline the brows with the concealer, making sure that you're not rubbing off the eyebrow itself. You guys can see how I'm holding my brush from up. Don't hold your brush like this, you're gonna rub off your eyebrow. Always hold your brush from up like this. I'm going to prime my eyelids with the same concealer, which is the Eyelashes Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, in preparation for eyeshadow, so that it can give us a nice base. And make sure that the concealer is blended out evenly. I'm going to do a very simple look. I'm going to use this shade over here and this one. This is a matte shade, and I'm going to use it on my outer corner, concentrating it on the outer corner of my eye. You can see how pigmented that is, you guys. And you can see how I've gone on top of this line here, which is called the crease. I've applied it on top of the crease so that when I open my eyes like this, the eyeshadow can still be seen, because I have a bit of hooded eyes. So I'll do the same on the other side. I'm tapping off the excess, and then I'll use the same brush to blend out the edges of that eyeshadow, gently using circular soft motions. You can see the difference between the two. This one is blended out, this one is not blended out. And I'm not blending the entire thing, I'm just blending the edges. Like that. I'm going to take this shade and apply it on my brow bone to set the brow bone. So I'm going to apply this gold shimmer shade, and I prefer using my finger for that. It's just easier to use fingers for applying shimmer shades. Tap, 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 tap. And blend. Then going to blend out. Repeating the same process for the other eye. And you want to spray your finger or spray your eyeshadow with a bit of setting spray or water to make the eyeshadow more pigmented and easier to apply. Then going to take my eyeliner and I'm going to apply that on my under eye. I'm going to take a bit of the concealer that I had used and apply it below my eyes as I wipe out any excess of that black eyeliner I have used. This is also helping to wipe away any excess eyeshadow. I'm going to use this same color to apply it under my eyes. This step is very optional, you don't have to do it, but I just want to give my eyes a pop. I'm going to use my mascara. I look like I have false lashes on. You can see that difference. How pretty are these eyes, you guys? This mascara is called Max Miss 5 mascara. I actually got this from Dubois, but it is bomb. Like, can you guys see my lashes? Oh my gosh. So I'm going to grab my eyelashes. The lashes I'm going to use, the lash glue I'm using is this duo lash glue. I have really been loving it. It is amazing. I'm just gonna wait for the lashes to dry, for the glue to dry a little bit, and then we can pop in the lashes. For eyeliner, I'm using this W7 liquid eyeliner. So for eyelashes, you want to use a mirror and place it below you. Take your eyelash when the glue has dried down for like 5 minutes, and then just place it like this. Press them in together with your eyelashes. So my lash glue is white, but it dries clear, as you can see on the other side. I'm then going to use my primer, and this is the Maybelline Babyskin Pore Eraser. So primer is very important to form a barrier between your makeup and your skin, and also to give you a smooth application. So for foundation, I'm going to be using this lwala foundation. This is actually a Kenyan makeup brand, and It's an amazing product, as you're going to see in a few. I found out that when you pump foundation directly on the brush, it just makes it harder to clean the brush. It stains the brush, so you'd rather just first apply it with a finger or a smaller brush and then blend it out. Don't pump it directly into the brush. And you just want to tap the foundation into the skin like this, and you can see how much coverage I'm getting from this foundation. It's really full coverage. Can you guys see that? This is so good. Always blend towards your neck. Blender, the technique is the same. Tap as you go, do not spread like this. Remember not to use too much product on the forehead so that you won't have a hard time blending. Next, I'm going to use my concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm going to apply that under my eyes. And this is just to highlight and to brighten up my under eyes. So you want to use a lighter concealer for this, or a lighter foundation. So you just tap, and it really blends well and gives you nice coverage and brightens up the face. So when you use any creamy product, you want to use a powder on top of it to set it. So to set that concealer, I'm going to use my Juviasplace setting powder. This is in the shade Kalahari. Apply that on the areas that I had applied the concealer. Next, I'm going to contour, and I'm using a legal powder in the shade Toffee. This is going to give me the illusion of a slim face. So next, I'm going to use my compact powder, the face powder, and apply that all over my face. So if you don't want to highlight and contour with the concealer and that setting powder, you can just do your foundation and go straight to applying this compact powder, your normal face powder, or if you're in a hurry or just want a very simple look. So I'm using this to blend everything together, give me a very smooth finish. I'm going to use this shade over here as blush. So I love using blush to just add a bit of color to my face. I'm then going to spray my face using this Mario Badesque, I don't know how to pronounce it, setting spray. As that dries, I'm going to do my lipstick, and I think I should go for a red lip. I'm going to use this too. This is Maybelline Superstay in the shade Voyager, and this is Gabrini. This is number 4 of Gabrini lipstick. I'm so pleased with this lip, you guys. It is So for highlighter, I'm using e.l.f. highlighter in the shade Apricot Glow, and I'm using this small fluffy brush. am so happy with this look. This is beautiful. Like, I feel like I'm a bride, and oh my gosh. This is our final look. I am so happy with it. I am so proud of how this look turned out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly do subscribe. Thank you so much for your support, and I'm looking forward to joining you guys on my next video. Till the next one, bye.